Hello and welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through setting up the PROJCL plugin in Eclipse IDE. PROJCL seamlessly integrates mainframe capabilities into your DevOps workflow, making JCL management intuitive and efficient. With it, you can easily initiate JCL integrity checks, verification, and reporting, all within Eclipse. Let's get started! Before installing PROJCL plugin, ensure you have the following. If you don't have Eclipse IDE, you can download it for free from this link. In addition to the prerequisites, download the product files from Rocket Community onto your device. Go to Rocket Community and navigate to Downloads. Select PROJCL under Products. Download the latest version. Now, let's install the PROJCL plugin in Eclipse IDE. Open Eclipse. Go to Help and Install New Software. Click Add in the Install dialog box. In the Add Repository dialog, enter a repository name and click Archive. Navigate to the zip folder containing the installation files and click Open. Click Add. Also, ensure Rocket ZOS application development is checked and selected. Review these settings and click Next. Review the install items and click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Finish. If a security warning appears, click Install anyway. Once the installation is done, make sure to restart Eclipse. Now to verify the installation. Go to Help and About Eclipse IDE. Click Installation Details. Under Installed Software, you will see Rocket PROJCL Development Environment. Now, let's open the essential PROJCL views, JCL Scan and ZOS Navigator. Go to Window, Show View, and click Other. Scroll to JCL, then expand it. Under JCL, you will see JCL Scan and ZOS Navigator. To open a view, double-click on it. You can see a ZOS Navigator view is open here. For convenience, I will move this view to the left. The next step is to connect to ZOS. But before that, let's create a connection profile. Click on Connect to ZOS. In the Connect to ZOS dialog, click Manage Profiles. In the Preferences dialog, click Add to create a profile. Enter system name, host URL, port numbers for ZOSMF and PROJCL, MVS user ID. You can also make changes to JCL Scan, Remote Scan, and reformat options as needed. Click Apply and Close. Now that our profile is ready, let's log in. Enter your user ID and password in the Connect to ZOS dialog. Once connected, you will see a connection message on the status bar. Let's scan a JCL. Click Add High-Level Qualifier and enter the dataset name. Click Add. High-Level Qualifier is displayed in a tree-like structure under ZOS Navigator view. Now, expand the dataset and double-click on the member you want to scan. The member opens in the editor. Go to Edit and click Scan JCL. For this video, we intentionally selected a file with errors. Once scanned, all errors will appear in the Problems view for easy review and correction. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this video. Installed the PROJCL plugin. Created connection profile. Scan a sample JCL file to ensure everything is working properly. Thank you.